Going on YouTube, we back. Right now we finally got action outside today in the LAC, so we're actually gonna take the LAC and the Cutlass. Today, man, we're going to our first pull up and park of the year, so that's going down the north side, right along with, I think they're gonna have a car show, stuff like that. I don't think I'm gonna stay for the car show. Just want to get the car out and drive it. We just got it cleaned up. I actually hadn't washed it in probably a month. It just sat in the garage, so we got it started, you know, making sure everything good, check my tire pressures, went cleaned it up. So right now everything is looking good. We finna head over here to this pull up and park event to see who all comes out. It's actually a rescheduled event. It was supposed to be an MLK Day celebration, but it was like 25 degrees on MLK Day, so they just canceled everything. And they re-got the city to give us another day, and then that day it rained it out, so the city granted another day. So today is the day that they're gonna do that, and we're gonna go out, see some of these cars. Man, I want to show y'all some of these cars. Y'all probably seen them, you know what I mean, on some other YouTube channels, but working on this car, I got dirt in my hair. But man, we got some really nice cars out here, and a lot of people haven't got the chance to see the Caddy yet. So they seen my coupe when I had it, and they thought the coupe was crazy. I honestly, I'm sorry to say it, but I think the sedan, in my opinion, I did a lot better job with this one, I think, because I had more time to actually go through certain stuff with this one. Then I did the coupe. The coupe I kind of just, and the coupe was, I didn't really have to do that much to the coupe because it actually was super clean already. So we just went through the suspension and threw wheels and tires on and some music in the coupe, and it was fine. Everything worked. So with this one, we put a little more into it. So I think I'm more partial to this one than a coupe, but I'm definitely, there will be a coupe added, so y'all just stay tuned for that. Right now, we're finna get on this highway and pull up when we get to the spot and let y'all see what's out here. Made it out. Got a lot of copyright going on, so I'm gonna probably have to mute y'all. Maybe. Just a lot of copyright going on, but we got here early. We got some stuff going on. Got an old couple charge. My wife wanted to bring the Cutlass, even though I ain't finished. She said she wanted to see the Cutlass out, so got a couple more LACs out here, man. That's a 62 up here that is clean that I just seen. 62, I'm gonna show y'all. They got one right here. And they got it on air. He did this 62 the exact same way I would have did it. They call this ain't the big fin, it's the little fin. Guts look good, console. And he did it the way I would, no LS. Kept it Cadillac all the way through. Yeah. Man, I want to find me some valve covers like this for mine with the Cadillac strip. It's not in there. This car looks good. I definitely need to get my trunk done. Like this one, man. That looks good. This whole car, man, he did you got to see it. He did a great job with this car. I don't know who built it, but man, original steering wheel. The steering wheel looks good. Crazy. Big white walls. This car is pretty legit. This is one of our shops in the city. We got Southside Sleds. He built this. Looks good too. Full built chassis. Built it by itself. Got it looking good, man. 74. I'm just gonna be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of anything past 73. It has to be a convertible for me to buy it if it's a dome. Not a glass house person. Everybody's starting to show up. It's still early. People just now filing in. Yeah. This whole event, man, is pretty cool because the whole event is free, so we'll see. Got a nice 64 Impala, or 63. Y'all let me know, 63 or 64. I can never really tell. They look the same to me, so. The DTS right here is pretty nice, too. Wheels are too big, but that's just me personally. Got the Scat Pack. Whoever wrapped this Scat right here, they did a crazy job on the Scat. Wrapping it. Same job with the wrap. We're gonna wait till some more people show up and actually get some more cars. still early. About to get me some food before I head out of here. I got football today, so I ain't gonna be able to stay long. We'll catch y'all in a minute. I got 74 vert on 8s. I wouldn't put 8s on it. 6s, but he clean though. I will say that. He clean. I don't know what this color is, but you know, it's clean. Definitely a project. It's in the project stages right now, but he clean. Still ain't no car out here cleaning in my life. Y'all let me know in the comments. I done got so many compliments on this car. Everybody was like, man, that Cadillac is ridiculously clean. And I'm surprised nobody's really seen this color before. They like just keep going complimenting that brown and how good it looks. But this right here is in my future. Man, this right here is like one of my favorite trucks, man. I love this style of truck. I'm gonna get one eventually. Eventually. So I'm gonna manifest everything I want. I'm gonna keep it in mind and keep it in the forefront of your brain. It'll happen. So I'm definitely gonna get one. But man, my girl looks so good. Oh, my girl look good. So many people like talking about how beautiful it is, how simple, how clean and straight to the point she is. I love her. She definitely gonna be she gonna be with me for, I think I'm gonna keep this one forever. This car can't leave. I love this car to death. I'm gonna put my curb feelers on it soon. Cause you can't have a Cadillac without curb feelers, so. Man, look at my girl. It's still busy, everybody's still coming in right now. Great event, free food, you know, free music, free everything tonight. So we're gonna stay here a little bit longer before I gotta go to football practice and show y'all. Even a lot of people love the little Cutlass, even though it ain't even been painted yet. But once we get it painted, it's definitely gonna be, once I get it painted, I think it's gonna actually stand out a lot more than what the average one's standing out. So we've seen a couple Cutlasses and they all said, oh, we got a great start, we just need to go ahead and paint it. Crazy thing is I might change the entire color. Who knows? I think I should leave it silver, but she wants it red. So if I change it to silver, that'd be crazy because I'd have to change the whole top. 74 look good. 74 vert. Hey, Lee. Clean too. How you doing? Dagger Dayton's on it. Clean too. Beautiful. Got the 70 Cutlass. Sweet. Got the verts outside. I gotta add me a vert. Gotta add me a vert. Right there, clean. So, you got two 74s out here. I ain't seen an 8 yet. Two-door Tahoe. I've always wanted to see me a two-door Tahoe in person. I think it's on 30s too. Two-door Tahoe on 30s. They got a lot of them out here. Cleanest donk in OKC by far. Dang. Cleanest donk in the city. I have not seen one this clean yet. The gold with the candy green combo is the same. Got a two-door box. Right. Squatting, tucking 8 is the same. Right. Lights out. Look at that. Yeah, he clean. 28-inch Forgiato. So many people showed up today. We got here kind of early and didn't realize it was gonna get this busy, but it done got busy. Everybody came out. Don'ts out. Everybody showed out. Right. we went ahead and left the car show. Man, it was pretty crazy, but it started getting really packed, so I had to get out of there. I didn't want to be there long. I need to get the car back home, and I think there's something on the highway right now, maybe an accident, a car caught on fire or something. It's a big stack up ahead, but we left. Want to get the cars home, just get out. Now it's a wreck right here. Okay, that's a bad wreck on the highway. So we wanted to get, oh man, somebody hit a cow trailer. That's crazy. So we want to get back to the house, get the cars put up. Got out and enjoyed them today, man. It's been a blast. Hopefully my wife got some driving footage we can add in here for y'all. If she does, it'll be before, you know, you'll see it. So, but man, I'm super blessed and excited, man. It's been an amazing day. Car is so fantastic, man. It got a lot of attention, man. And the crazy part about it is the color is what drew everybody in. It was like that brown is like different. And I was like, it's a factory color. Nobody could believe it. It was a factory color. I was like, this is the factory color of this car. So them seeing that is pretty cool, man. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all staying tuned with the channel. We're gonna try to get out more involved, you know, the cars more in the channel, and just getting out in the community and just, you know, enjoying these instead of just showing y'all me building them. We're gonna build them and enjoy them. So y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch y'all in the next video.